Hello, and welcome back to the Daily English Podcast. If you're new here, please subscribe the channel, where we learn English together through real stories, daily practice, and slow, clear speaking. Today's topic is one of the most common and most frustrating problems for English learners around the world. I understand English, but I'm not fluent. I study every day, but I still can't speak well. I forget words when I need them. I feel nervous when I try to talk. If you've ever said these things, if you've ever felt stuck, slow, or shy when speaking English, then this episode is for you. You are not alone. This is something millions of learners face. And guess what? It's not your fault, but it is something you can fix. In this episode, we'll talk about the real reasons why your English fluency isn't improving, the bad habits that are slowing you down, and most importantly, how to fix it, step by step, with simple actions you can start today. So if you're ready to stop feeling stuck, if you're ready to speak English with more confidence, and if you're ready to finally become fluent, then stay with me. Take a deep breath. Open your ears. And let's talk about how to fix your fluency problem together. This is Sam, your host from Germany, and this is the Daily English Podcast. Let's begin. Part 1. Why you're not fluent in English yet. Many people ask, why am I not fluent in English? They study hard. They watch videos. They listen to podcasts. They read books. And still, they feel stuck. So, let's talk honestly. Why is your fluency not improving? Here are the 5 real reasons why many learners are not fluent, even after years of study. 1. You understand, but you don't speak. This is very common. You understand English. You understand the words. You watch YouTube videos. You listen to English podcasts. But you don't speak. You're passive. You're silent. You're not using the language actively. And if you don't speak, your mouth never learns to move in English. Fluency is like a muscle. If you don't use it, it gets weak. Reading and listening help your brain. But speaking helps your mouth, your voice, and your confidence. 2. You think in your language first. Many English learners try to speak by translating. You think in German. You think in Arabic. You think in your native language first. And then you try to translate into English. But English doesn't work that way. It has a different rhythm, grammar, and order. Translating takes time. Translating causes mistakes. Translating blocks your fluency. You must learn to think in English, not translate. This takes time, but it is possible. 3. You are afraid of making mistakes. Many people are scared. They don't want to sound wrong. They don't want to be embarrassed. So they stay quiet. But this is the truth. You will never become fluent if you are afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are normal. Even native speakers make them. Fluent people speak with confidence, not perfection. You must speak, even if it's not perfect. You must take small risks. Fluency grows when you let go of fear. 4. You study grammar too much. Grammar is important. Yes, it helps you understand the rules. But some learners only study grammar. They know terms like past perfect and modal verbs, but they can't order food in English. That's a problem. Fluency comes from real communication, not just grammar books. It's better to know simple English and speak it well than to know advanced grammar and never use it. Speak. Listen. Repeat. Practice. That's fluency. 5. You don't have a daily practice habit. Some people study once a week. Some people watch one English video every few days. But fluency does not grow this way. Fluency comes from daily practice. Even 15 minutes a day is better than 2 hours once a week. Think about it like this. You don't get strong by going to the gym once a month. You get strong by going every day, even for a short time. Fluency works the same way. Direct hit recap of part 1. So, let's quickly remember the 5 reasons you are not fluent yet. You don't speak enough. You think in your native language. You're afraid of mistakes. You focus too much on grammar. You don't have a daily English habit. The good news is, all of these can be fixed. And in the next part, I'll show you how to fix them step by step. You don't need to be perfect. You just need the right habits and a simple system. Part 2. How to become fluent. Simple steps that actually work. Now that we've talked about the reasons you are not fluent yet, let's talk about how to fix it. Good news. You don't need expensive classes. You don't need a perfect accent. You don't even need to be perfect. You just need to do the right things every day. Here are 6 powerful steps that will help you become fluent in English. Step 1. Speak every day, even alone. Fluency comes from speaking, not just studying. And you don't need a partner to speak. You can speak alone. Look around your room. Describe what you see in English. Talk to yourself while walking. Say, I am walking to the store. I need to buy some bread. It is a sunny day. This is called shadow speaking or self-talk, and it works. Speak every day, even if it's just 5 minutes. The more you speak, the more natural it becomes. Step 2. Think in English, not your language. This is one of the most powerful habits. Don't wait to translate. Start small. Think about simple things in English. I am brushing my teeth. I feel tired today. What time is it? Even your thoughts can be practice. Over time, your brain will switch to English faster. You will stop translating, and you will speak more smoothly. Step 3. Listen to real English every day. You need to hear English the way real people speak it. Not just textbook English, but podcasts, conversations, and stories. That's why you're listening to this podcast. It trains your ear. It teaches rhythm and natural expressions. Make listening part of your routine. Even if you don't understand everything, keep going. Your brain will learn the patterns. Step 4. Use the words you learn. If you learn a new word, use it today. Say it. Write it. Repeat it. Example, if you learn the word challenge, use it in a sentence. Speaking English is a challenge, but I enjoy it. Words become part of your memory when you use them. If you don't use the word, you will forget it. Practice makes permanent. Step 5. Don't worry about grammar while speaking. Grammar is important, but don't let it stop you from speaking. When you speak, your focus should be on communication, not rules. It's okay to say, he go to the store instead of he goes to the store. At first, people will understand you. Fluency means your message is clear, not perfect. You can fix grammar later. First, build confidence. Step 6. Make English part of your daily life. To become fluent, English should not be something you study. It should be something you live. Label items in your house in English. Change your phone's language to English. Watch YouTube in English. Read simple English books or articles every day. The more English surrounds you, the faster you learn. Make it part of your environment, like air and water. Direct hit recap of part 2. To become fluent, speak every day. Think in English. Listen to Real English daily. Use the words you learn. Don't worry about grammar when speaking. Live in English every day. These are not magic tricks. They are small actions that build fluency over time. Consistency is the key. In the next part, we'll talk about how to stay motivated and how to stop giving up, even when it feels slow. Part 3. How to stay motivated while learning English. Learning English takes time. It's not easy. And sometimes you feel tired. Sometimes you feel like you're not improving. Sometimes you think about giving up. If you have felt this way, you are not alone. Every learner feels this way. Even fluent speakers had hard days when they wanted to stop, but they kept going. And you can too. Let's talk about how to stay motivated, even when it's difficult. 1. Set small, simple goals. If your goal is too big, it feels impossible. Don't say, "I want to speak perfect English." Instead, say, "Today, I will speak for 5 minutes. This week, I will learn 10 new words. Tonight, I will watch 10 minutes of English video." Small goals are easy to finish. When you finish them, you feel good. And when you feel good, you want to continue. Step by step, small goals become big success. 2. Track your progress. Sometimes you are improving, but you don't see it. That makes you feel stuck. So, write down your progress. Keep a notebook or app. Write how many minutes you practiced, what words you learned, what stories you listened to, what you could not do before, but can do now. After 1 week or 1 month, look back. You will be surprised how far you've come. Your English is growing, even if you don't feel it every day. 3. Make English fun. If English feels boring, you won't want to learn. So, do things you enjoy in English. Do you love music? Listen to English songs. Do you love stories? Listen to English audiobooks. Do you like watching videos? Watch English YouTubers. Learning doesn't have to be serious all the time. The more fun you have, the faster you learn. 4. Connect with others. Don't learn alone all the time. Find a friend, a study group, or an online community. Even one person can help you stay on track. Talk about your learning. Share your goals. Celebrate your progress. When you learn together, you feel less tired. You feel supported. And you feel stronger. 5. Remind yourself why. Ask yourself, why are you learning English? Do you want a better job? Do you want to travel? Do you want to study in another country? Do you want to talk to new people? Write it down. Put it on your wall. Every time you feel tired, read your reason. Your why will give you power to continue. 6. Accept the struggles. Fluency is not fast. It's not easy. But that's okay. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be fast. You just need to keep going. Some days are hard. Some days feel slow. But every day you practice, you get closer to fluency. And one day, you will speak English without thinking. That day is coming if you keep moving forward. Direct hit recap of part 3. To stay motivated while learning English. Set small goals. Track your progress. Make learning fun. Connect with others. Remember your why. Accept that struggle is part of growth. You are already doing something powerful. You are listening, learning, and growing every single day. You are not just studying English. You are becoming an English speaker. In the final part, We will talk about what to do next, how to stay on the path to fluency, and my final message to help you stay strong. Part 4. Final advice and what you should do next. Now you understand why you're not fluent. You know the problems. You also know the solutions. But what happens next? What should you do today, tomorrow, and every day after that to truly become fluent in English? Let's talk about that. 1. Be consistent, not perfect. Fluent speakers are not perfect. They make mistakes. They forget words. They pause. But they speak every day. You don't need to be perfect. You only need to be consistent. It's better to speak for 10 minutes every day than to study for 3 hours once a week and forget. Fluency grows with daily practice. Small, simple steps. 2. Focus on speaking, not just studying. Reading and listening are important, but fluency comes from using English, not just learning about it. Speak out loud. Talk to yourself. Join online groups. Record your voice. Do shadowing exercises. Make speaking a habit like brushing your teeth. 3. Trust the process. You may not see big changes in 1 week, but after 1 month, 2 months, or 6 months, you will notice. You understand faster. You speak more naturally. You feel less nervous. Trust the process. Don't stop when it gets hard. Keep going. Fluency is built 1 word at a time, 1 sentence at a time, 1 conversation at a time. 4. Take action today. So here's what I want you to do today. Speak out loud for 5 minutes. Think in English for 10 minutes. Listen to 1 full podcast or video in English. Write 3 sentences about your day in English. That's it. Simple, clear, powerful. Start now, not tomorrow, because tomorrow becomes next week, and next week becomes next year. Start today, and your future self will thank you. Final message. You're not bad at English. You're not too old. You're not too late. You just needed the right method, the right mindset, and the right motivation. And now you have it. I believe in you. Your fluency is not a dream. It's a goal. And you are already on the path. Stay strong. Stay consistent. And speak English every day with courage and confidence. This is Sam from Germany. And this was the Daily English Podcast. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next episode. Keep learning. Keep speaking. Never give up.